go. Whoops, is it going? Yes, it is. All right, Patrick, show me how this machine can unscramble this Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
That is awesome.
So yeah, it just scans all 6 sides and then it finds 3 solutions and chooses the fastest.
That is so awesome. I'm going to send this to my dad.
That. Okay.
Is it thinking?
So yeah, it'll do 59 moves. 1.
So wild. How long did it take you to make this machine?
Like a week to build to get all the all the symmetries working.
Wow, it's like perfect. It doesn't even drop it.
Yeah, it took about 3 months to program.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
This is so cool.
A lot of work put in this little thing.
This is great.
Yeah.
So about how long does it take for him to move all the moves? So he's doing 50-some moves?
Yeah, right now it'll say on the screen.
Oh, let's see.
I don't know if you can see that.
It's hard. I can't really see it. What does it say?
No, it says 52.
52 moves, and what is it doing right now? What number is it on?
Oh, it's on 51. It was 52.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it started out as, I think, 59.
Okay. So how long will it take, do you think? How long should I keep recording it?
Oh. Just then.
Oh.
About 3 more minutes, maybe?
Oh, okay. Maybe I won't record the whole thing. Maybe I'll stop. So that's, or do you think I should keep recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll do the whole thing, won't it?
I guess.
Save.
Oh, yeah. Here, you keep recording. I'm going to go to the bathroom, and then I'll come back.
All right.
That's awesome. Are you having fun? Okay, Mommy's going to go to the bathroom. Hold on.
Okay. 25 moves. Okay, 10 more moves. Two more moves.
Awesome. Almost there.
It is.
Yay! Hold that up, Patrick. Yay! And what do you call this machine?
I don't know.
Does he have a name?
Not really. Help me name it.
Help me name it. Simon!
Rubot.
Rubot! That's
How was
awesome. Nicely done, Rubot. Yay! Say yay, Clementine.
No.
No. Okay.